Today we're going to see if we can build and successfully fly a remote control plane from Flite Test.
Guys, Flite Test sent us a package.
We've done some cool projects with them in the past. We made a toilet and they made it fly. We made Harry Potter and a Dementor and they made both of those fly, and I think they got a snitch as a drone in there as well. Very cool stuff. If you guys haven't seen their channel, they have just the most amazing creative flying stuff in the world, and man, they're good at it. So we love working with them. So far we've never been able to work like in the same place because they're far away. Hopefully in the future we'll get to change that, but they sent us a box. Here's the basic idea. We've been given a remote control airplane kit from Flite Test, and today we're going to see if we can put it together and successfully fly it. I personally have never flown a remote control plane before, so hopefully I won't crash it and destroy it. So we're going to try and follow along with some instructions and build a working remote control airplane.
It says it's a simple Scout. I don't know if I believe it.
So as I think I said, I've never really flown a remote control airplane before. I've barely ever flown even like drones and stuff. So
if you guys have ever seen our paper airplanes video that we did at Lowe's Extreme Air Sports, that's
about it.
That's my limit, yeah. Yes!
Nice. As a backup, we do have our cameraman Mark, who not only can fly remote control airplanes, but he can fly real airplanes as well. So he's gonna be what we use when we can't quite handle it, although
if and when.
I think the idea is that they've given us everything to make it so simple that even complete noobs like us can pull this off. We have a glue gun.
Oh wow, this is a high output. Neat.
It is a fancy looking glue gun.
They've never seen me use glue before. I require so much more than that. All right, so we've got the video pulled up for this. It is an instructional video to teach us how we're gonna be putting all of this together, so.
We're gonna be watching that and seeing how well we can follow instructions and see if our finished product looks like what we want it to look like. All right, we've got the body and wings all built, and our friend Ansley is here. She is going to help us out with just a little bit of decoration. She is a fantastic builder and cosplayer, and so she's gonna take our wings home and apply some of those skills to make them look extra fancy for us.
Guys, Ansley has finished these wings and they look phenomenal. What did you use on these?
So I used actually automotive paint on both of these wings. This one is a color shift series, so as it's flying up above, you'll be able to see it change a bunch of different colors.
So right now this one is like it looks purple to me, but then you turn it in the light and it goes blue. I'm in love with this paint. Well, thank you so much, Ansley. Guys, if you want to see some incredible builds, Ansley has an awesome Instagram account, Pigtails Power. Go check her out. Let's get these done. Sure. Thank you so much.
Sure thing.
Okay, we actually have our planes done and built. It was a longer build than I was expecting, but it's actually pretty simple.
Yeah, I've never built an airplane before, so this is the first time, and it was a lot of fun. We're excited to go take these out and try them and hopefully not destroy them in crashing. But it worked pretty well. We had good instructions provided by Flite Test, and it showed like how to get all of the pieces in there and attached. And I want to try this. We've got our plane ready. We only have one controller, so we're going to be starting with, we're just going to do one plane at a time. We're starting with this one, and we're actually also going to have our cameraman be the first pilot because he has way more experience flying planes. And once he's made sure there are no weird bugs and quirks about it. Flite Test was actually kind enough to send us a gyro self-stabilizing kit that's installed on this one, but we only have one of those, so.
So my plane doesn't have that. Hopefully, if we get this one up in the air, we won't crash it horribly.
We'll find out.
Maybe we will. Maybe
Either way, Mark is starting, and then we'll try after.
Here we go.
Here we go.
This is full throttle right now. So it definitely wants to climb. That's really awesome.
Wow.
It doesn't want to focus.
I was a little too close up. And snap the propeller.
I tried. Let's see how bad it looks.
Well, this is part of the propeller. We have some spares, and the battery dislodged itself, but that's okay. It's just held on with Velcro.
I took it off of the auto stabilization and tried to do a barrel roll, but it.
You got several.
I got several high up, but
the down low was a little too down low. Now we know.
Other than that, like, so honestly, the damage doesn't look bad. It's just the propeller. This got a little kinked right here.
Little damage.
That shouldn't affect it very much.
Yeah, I think that's just cosmetic mostly.
Yeah.
But I do need to replace this propeller.
Not bad. Round 2. Okay, so
go for the gentlest landing you can, or should I try and catch it?
Please don't lose the fingers.
No, I would go from the side. Oh, I think you're good. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Beautiful. Okay. This is the longest I've ever successfully flown a remote control plane. We had some great flying with our first airplane that had the self-stabilization. Now we're gonna try the one that doesn't have it and see what we can do. Much more of a launch.
Yeah, it like wants to go vertical. That's sweet. Yeah, it's actually really easy to fly.
Oh! What?
Oh my god. Sweet.
Mark the cameraman successfully catches the airplane out of the air. Look at the champion he is.
That was sweet. I was going a little faster than I actually meant, but like it was a good catch.
Nice.
I feel like it didn't hurt or anything.
That was super fun.
No damage. Guys, I love this airplane so much.
These planes are a ton of fun.
This is so cool.
Very fun to actually like build a plane that will then fly. I know a lot of people have made planes a lot, but for me this is a new experience and I really enjoyed it. Flite Test, these are awesome.
Thank you guys so much.
Guys, these Flite Test planes are awesome. I really enjoy like seeing, like as you're building it, you kind of start to see like, oh, I really get how the control of the planes is working, like what is causing the steering and stuff. And it's pretty much the same principles for any size plane. It's just scaled up a lot.
Guys, that's not all. You know, we've always got more for you to see. If you like this kind of content, make sure to hit that button to subscribe so you never miss out on the fun. We'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.